We'll soon enter the final part of this message, where I'll share a personal testimony and lead you in prayer for healing, deliverance, and the complete restoration of your spiritual atmosphere. A few years ago, my wife and I were going through a spiritual dryness that we couldn't explain. Outwardly, everything seemed fine. We prayed, we served, we attended church regularly. But something had shifted. Our spiritual connection felt numb. Our intimacy, though still active, felt heavy, confusing, and strangely disconnected from the purity we once enjoyed. We began to feel distant from God and from each other.